This is where the medevac helicopter went down, right here at the Paces Creek School, buddy.
Right.
Over there.
About 11:15 last night.
What it must have got those power lines.
Right there's the remains of it. Run see up on top of the parking lot. Nothing left of it.
That's unbelievable. Man, you talk about a tragedy.
Yeah, that was terrible.
Well, that's tragic. Right over there's the remains of it, man. I'll tell you, that's horrible. Eddy Sizemore, he was Sheriff John Root's chief deputy before we came over here to do this, to fly this helicopter. Look at all the traffic coming through here. It's the Manchester, Kentucky base. It's our aerovac. Hold on a second, Robert. Hold on. Go ahead. See, the traffic still lined up. I mean, we're probably what 3/4 mile away now from it.
Around that, I'd say.
Yeah, I don't know what. That's just a horrible accident, but that was.
Sure was.